Sorry if I ran into that car in the parking lot at the house. Not my problem. It was a Corolla. I don't know. I bumped the side of it. The fender's okay, I think. Hey, somebody said there were fast cars here. The fastest so far is a 199.
Was it a Lambo?
No.
Viper?
No.
GTR?
Yeah.
Which one?
Long drag wing, teal blue, like baby blue.
I want to get shots of this. Yeah, I want to get shots of it.
The M4.
Yeah.
Competition, not a competition.
I think he missed the grass by a hair.
Just a little.
Just a little bit. You almost backed it in right.
I don't know if you're blind enough you can't see that far, but you can see the Cicio.
Well, now I can. So we just got to the track and sat up over there with my buddies at Cicio Performance, hanging out now. This loudspeaker's going off. So. But now running to the bathroom with my brother, and then headed back before eliminations begin. I think qualifying is done, other than like 3 cars, and then we should be good to go. Already got some amazing photos. I'm gonna pop it up on screen right now. These were amazing. I'm using my Canon 80D with an 85mm polarized filter on it, and working out pretty good. Got a Cicio carpet ready to go, and their Lambo as well. So, qualifying being complete, just heard over the radio it officially is complete. No cars left. Good to go. Look at this camera car. That is the dream, an E92, matte black with a whole rig. That's fantastic. Alright, so qualifying's about to begin. It's going to be Outlaw Class first. For those who don't know, that's going to be usually your fastest cars, and should be pretty wild. I've already got some really cool shots. Definitely going to be getting some down the track with some more shots like the one from the TTRs you guys saw. Yeah, it should be a lot of fun. I know Cicio's guys are probably running GTRs, maybe the Lambo. I'm not really sure though. Should be a lot of fun. I'm over here hanging out with the boys. We're right next to Titan Motorsports too. Off they go.
just under 1100 at the wheel.
Well, no, I'm not playing with this one. He becomes the signal, here, we go.
No, I'm just doing it for funsies. Well, we got like 3 runs on and then they stopped because of the weather. It's not looking too hot at the moment. Hopefully it'll clear up though. Got a sick picture of a Viper. Oh man, I'm already tired because it's so hot. Oh.
So here we go, keep going, Dodge Viper, who we got?
We're all hunkering down because of the rain. Got Hudson here though, sitting next to me. But this means we're gonna have to wait a little bit for stuff to stop, and they gotta dry off everything and rub it back down the track, and yeah, we're in for a little bit here. Oh. Dang. You'd expect, right? I always love those, what are they, Julias? Yeah. Yeah. R2 Spider next to it. Dang. Oh. Nice cars, but I have to head out. It's really hot, super muggy, and they raced a little and then stopped because of weather, then raced a little more, then stopped because of the weather, and then the weather came in pretty strong and then just sat down everything just sat down and then just shut down everything. So everyone's starting to slowly get back up, waiting for the track to get dried off before everyone races again. I need to go home so I can edit, because if I don't get home and edit, then there won't be a video Friday. Although I love all my friends, they're like family. Being at the racetrack is indeed my life. My whole life revolves around cars. But I have to work, I have to get stuff done. Should be a fun drive home though. I really enjoy the drive down here. I'm gonna stop by a gas station, get a Diet Coke or a Diet Pepsi. I never drink soda, but I'm just craving it today. I feel like I deserve it because I slept my butt off. So let's start the time lapse to the car now. And here's me and Daryl. Time to hit the road. I gotta leave early, man, because I have to go home, do some editing, or else I won't have a video out tomorrow, and then I would have completely failed myself if I don't get that video out. So it's hot anyways, super muggy. It just got done raining. I'm just ready to hit the road. But yeah, I'm super thirsty, so let's go ahead and hit the road, get home. I'll pretty much call the vlog there, I think. So if you like the video, go ahead and leave a like and subscribe if you like car content, including car detailing content. And if you ring the bell, you know every time I upload. I'll leave you guys with a drive to the gas station unless I see anything else, but that's going to be it for this one. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you all Friday with a detail video. See ya. Got me some donuts for the road. 2-hour drive home. And camera set up.